How to fix pin a video on TikTok not showing. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now search for TikTok. Now make sure to update to the latest version. Now go back to your home screen and open up settings. Now go to apps, tap on app management and find TikTok. Now click on force stop, go to storage usage and tap on clear data. Now tap on delete and restart the application. If this doesn't fix the issue, tap on uninstall, go to the Play Store again and tap on install. I hope this will fix the issue. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question about such a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.